There was this jolly tinker and he met a woman, oh, with a hump on her back and she blind of an eye. And the day it being warm they sat down together. What news, honest man, this old woman did cry. I have no news at all, replied the old tinker, but a thing that has happened should never have been, concerning our hero brave Daniel O'Connell. He's now making babies in Dublin by steam. A turn McGowl, replied the old woman. A turn McGowl, are you crazy at last? Or is this a sign of war or rebellion? Or what is the reason you're making them fast? Well, it isn't the sign of war or rebellion, but that this generation is growing so small. So we're going to return it on you, law lieutenants, and not to depend on the old style at all. Well, I am an young girl of 66 years, without tooth in me head or a plane to be seen. If that road just provoked me, I'll lay down the wager I'd make better children than him and his steam. Long life to your courage, replied the old tinker. Long life to your courage, your youth and your spleen. And if all the young girls in Ireland were like you, O'Connell could throw his steam engine away. But they are so pugnacious, likewise vivacious. When a young man comes near them, they'll stamp out his eyes. And then they become young maids in the corner, not a child for to play for their souls when they die. Oh, there's good men in Ireland as well as in England, strong hearty young fellas, be soul and be seen. And as for our hero brave Daniel O'Connell, may God rest his soul. He was born there.